Good morning, dear student. So let's continue with the chapter. So please come and open page number 26 of your book. Okay. So page number 26 is come to here. So देखिए, the physical quantities like length, mass, time and temperature are independent of each other. ठीक है, जो physical quantities हैं, length, mass, time and temperature, they are independent of each other, means they are not related with each other. Temperature is not related with time, time is not related with mass, mass is not related with length. But some of the physical quantities, ठीक है, area, volume and speed, they are related with the fundamental quantities like time, mass and temperature. ठीक है, suppose we have to find out the area, so we need length. So length is the unit of ठीक है. So they are derived, which units? Area, volume and speed, they are derived from the fundamental unit. Suppose we have to find out the area, so area equals to length into breadth, volume equals to length into breadth into height, and speed is equals to distance over time. So distance is again length of a path and time is time. So speed is derived from time and length, volume again length, breadth and height. ठीक है. Now next we have the last topic of this chapter is the area, measurement of area. So what is area actually? So area is the surface occupied by the object. Suppose I have this pencil over here. Okay, so what is the surface area covered by this pencil? ठीक है, is known as its area. See, a brick and a matchbox have the surface consisting of 6 faces. ठीक है, सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है, सरफेस क्या होती है? ईच ऑब्जेक्ट हैज अ सरफेस. ठीक है, जैसे हम ब्रिक है, मैच बॉक्स है, लीफ है, पीस इन अ पेपर, दे ऑल हैव surfaces. ठीक है, so a brick and a matchbox have the surfaces. So a brick has 6 surfaces. So how it 6 surfaces? So look at the figure here. So it's the form of, देखिए 1 circle है, तो एक ये आगे वाला फेस हो गया, एक उसके नीचे वाला इधर वाला फेस हो गया, फिर इन दोनों फेस के अपोजिट जो फेस होंगे, इसके पीछे वाला और इसके ऊपर के नीचे वाला, 4 faces. Then this is the 5th face and this is the 6th face. ठीक है. Next we have a leaf and a piece of paper has surface consisting of 2 faces. Suppose we have a leaf. So leaf have only 2 surface. First is the this surface and another is the beneath it, नीचे वाला surface. Okay. So the total surface area occupied by an object is called the surface area or simply the area. तो जो total area occupied किया है इस leaf ने, यही इसका क्या है? area है. So area is measured, expressed in term of the product of two measurement in length. Area हम कैसे express करते हैं? By multiplying two measurement in length. For example, suppose we have to find out the area of a geometric box. Suppose this is your geometry box. ठीक है, and we have to find out the area occupied by this geometry box. So its geometry box must have some length and a breadth. ठीक है, so area of the geometry box is length into breadth. Suppose this length is 5 centimeter and suppose its breadth is 2 centimeter. So what will be the area? Length is 5, breadth is 2, that is equals to 10 centimeter. क्या हो जाएगा इसका area? Area of this geometry box. Okay. Next we have area of a regular shape. Regular means fixed shape होते हैं, जैसे है square है, rectangle है, triangle है, and we have a circle. So one by one we'll go through. I have a figure for you. Suppose we have a square. So square, you know that all the sides of a squares are equal. So this is also L, L, L and L. So area of a square equals to length into length, that is length square. Suppose this is 2, so this is also 2, this is also 2, this is also 2. So area of a square equals to 2 into 2, that is 4 centimeter square. Okay. Now next we have area of a rectangle. Because rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Suppose this is 5 centimeter. so this also becomes 5 centimeter. ठीक है, suppose this is 3 centimeter, so this also 3 centimeter. So area equals to of a rectangle is length into breadth. So length is 5, breadth is 3. So what will be the area? 15 centimeter square, length into breadth. ठीक है, अब क्या हो जाएगा? Next we have area of a triangle. Suppose this is the triangle. So area of the triangle होता है half into base into altitude, ये जो height होती है. तो अगर ये 5 है, ये 2 है, तो half into 5 into 2 it will be. Next we have the area of a circle. So area of circle क्या होता है? Suppose this is the radius of the circle. Radius means इस पूरे distance का आधा, center से आधा. So area equals to pi into r square, यानी कि pi into r into I. Pi is the fixed value, इसकी यूनिट होती है 22/7. इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो 3.14 आता है अप्रॉक्स. सो पाई के इन प्लेस ऑफ पाई वी कैन राइट डाउन 3.14 और 22/7 आर स्क्वायर. ये जो भी रेडियस होगा, सपोज 2 है ये रेडियस, ठीक है, 2 सेंटीमीटर है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3.14 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. सो 4 2 जा 8, 2 1 जा 2.3 इंटू 2. ठीक है, 8 2 जा 16, 2 2 जा 4 5, 3 2 जा 6. तो ये क्या आ गया? क्या आ जाएगा? ठीक है, ये आ जाएगा 6.56 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इज दैट क्लियर? ठीक है. नाउ how to find out this area of irregular or irregular surface using a graph paper. ठीक है, अब ग्राफ पेपर की हेल्प से क्या कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो सपोज हमारे पास कोई इरेगुलर शेप है, तो उसका एरिया तो लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ से नहीं निकाला जा सकता. सो हाउ विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ अ irregular shape? Okay, so that we'll see in the next video.